and welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be learning two new sounds, v and v. Okay, but first we'll start with v. I'll tell you a story. There's a man that drives a van and the man's name is Vic. Vic drives the van around the village. Did you see how we had so many words starting with v? That's alliteration. Vic drives a van round the village. Vic van village. V, 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 v. And this is the action to the sound v. You pretend to be driving a van. Let's do that together. Very good. V, 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 v. Fantastic. So I'll teach you a song about this sound. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Well done. Do you want to sing again? Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Well done. Fantastic. Now let's learn the formation. Up here, but this time it's not a stroke, it's a slant. Two slants actually. We go and back up. Let's try again. And well done. Let's link to some objects. We have a vest, a van, a violin, a voucher. Oh, there's one. Vampirina. We all love Vampirina. Vampire. There's so many things that begin with the sound v. Well done. Let's learn the other sound. I'll tell you something. It was really windy and the trees were bending and there was a man with a cap. And while he was walking, the wind was blowing so strong, it went woo and his cap flew out. Oh wow, that must have been interesting. I'll teach you a song about this sound. But the action is, you blow out air from your mouth, go. Let's do that together. Again. Fantastic. Well done. So, the action to the sound is, let's sing a song about this sound. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the wind blowing, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. I think we should sing that again. I see the wind blowing. I see the kites flying. I see the trees bending. The wind is blowing strong. Let's do it again together. I see the wind blowing. I see the kites flying. I see the trees bending. The wind is blowing strong. Fantastic. Well done. So let's learn the formation of this sound. Up here, remember, just like we're going to use slants again. A slant down, go back up, come back down and up. Should we do that again? Come down, go back up, come back down and up. Fantastic, we did it. So now let's link this sound to some objects. We have wig, wagon, water, wind, window. Can you think of some more objects? We have watermelon, worm, wheel. Fantastic. Well done. I think it's time to blend now. Let's blend with the new sounds we've learned. We have w, ah. Let's go. Wow. Fantastic. Good reading. Let's try it with a different sound. W, e, wee. Again. W, e, wee. Let's put an extra sound. Can you do it? G. So let's go again. Wig. Again. Wig. Well done. Now let's go on to v. We have v, a, va. Let's go again. V, a, va. Then Let's go. V, a, van. Again, van. Well done. Do you remember the actions to the sounds we learned today? What sound is that? Fantastic. How about this one? What sound is that? V. Very well done. We've done a great job today. I'm so proud of you. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.